What's up, guys? Wanted to do a video of a pedal board I made for $25.50, not including tax. It's a 12 by 36. The board I got at Lowe's for $9.98. It's not a solid piece of board. It's actually pieces of board glued together, and it came in like a plastic wrap. Can of spray paint at Walmart was 96 cents, something like that. 97 or 98 cents, whatever. But it's flat black, and these handles over here, you can see them. Got those at Lowe's for $1.78 a piece. Put one on each side so you can move the board around. Also got the Velcro at Walmart, $7.96 or $7.98 for that. And then I got one package of these little rubber feet. Found them in Big Lots. They were $2.50 a pack. So altogether, before tax, it was $25.50. Got the Park Fuzz, the Nano Big Muff Pie, the Wah, the Wham, the Whammy. Got an MXR Phase 90, Boss TU2, Jekyll and Hyde version 1, flat top. All the flat tops are version 1, by the way, silver and red. And down here we got the Mower Tender Octaver pedal, which is just like the Mini Pog, Nano Pog. Got the Boss GE7 equalizer. Got the Boss Super Course CH1. The Boss Flanger BF2. The Boss Digital Delay DD3. And the Electro Harmonix Holy Grail, Nano Holy Grail. And just got some patch cables. Most of them are 6-inch. Got probably 3 12-inch cables, and I am running a 1-spot with 2 1-spot 8 daisy chains, which gives me 15 power supplies, because you got to plug the one 8 into the other, so it's 15 spots of 9-volt power. The Whammy pedal, I know that's giving me a little noise, so I'm going to have to probably run the original power pack that came with that. But there you have it.